You're telling me the supreme badass we're looking for is a godforsaken mutant?
You know your kind ain't welcome here.
Well, maybe not, but I'll make myself welcome.
One of the leading trio in the Fallout universe screen adaptation, the Ghoul, is ready to show his full potential. Our 3D artist has done an excellent job elaborating details of this zombie-like creature's look. Dozens of hours were dedicated to creating the Ghoul's outfit. The long, tattered cloak with manually applied realistic texture will not leave you impassionate. The Ghoul's Bust is a masterpiece by our 3D artist that features a crafted design and an authentic look. Also, the holster is available in several variations. The figurine can be printed with two different options for the right hand.